In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange posts on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to rearrange pictures inside of a carousel post, open up the post with multiple, photos and videos, and essentially just tap the three dots up in the top right corner and select edit. After you hit edit, all you need to do is, of course, remove certain photos or videos from the carousel if you want to change what it shows. And you can actually do that just by selecting the little X, or you can also just hold down on the picture and drag it just like so to rearrange it. Just make sure you're done at the very end. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one exactly how it is. If you want to move a post to the top of your profile, go to the main profile grid and essentially long press on the post that you want to hold. For example, we'll do this one, right? Long press on it, and all you have to do is go ahead and select pin to main grid. As soon as you hit pin, it's going to put it at the very top. And of course, you can always unpin it as well, just like so. That's the full process though. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.